Big Brother 27 continues to be one of the most talked about seasons in franchise history, and the latest revelation from house guest Katherine Woodman has fans buzzing. In a stunning turn of events, Katherine revealed that she had a personal conversation with Riley Jeffries, another polarizing figure in the house, and the implications of that conversation could completely change how fans and players see the remaining weeks of the game. With alliances shifting almost daily, betrayals around every corner, and houseguests trying desperately to maintain control of their narratives, Katherine's disciple has added another electrifying layer to the already dramatic season. For weeks, viewers have watched Katherine navigate the chaos inside the Big Brother house with a mix of strategy, calculation, and personal vulnerability. She has built alliances, broken deals, and survived close calls that left many convinced she could become one of the season's most underrated power players. Meanwhile, Riley Jeffries has been a constant source of conversation both inside and outside the house. Known for their fiery personality, bold moves, and divisive gameplay, Riley has often been at the center of drama, whether orchestrating blindsides or being the target of others plotting. The idea of these two house guests, so different in approach, yet both crucial to the season's narrative, actually sitting down for a meaningful conversation has captivated fans. When Katherine dropped the news during a post-competition conversation with other players, live feed watchers immediately lit up social media with theories about what the two might have discussed. Some speculated it was about forming a secret alliance, others thought it could be a personal heart-to-heart that revealed cracks in existing partnerships. Either way, the fact that Katherine herself acknowledged the conversation shows that it was significant enough to bring into the spotlight. Big Brother has always thrived on secrecy and the power of information, and Katherine's revelation fits that mold perfectly. Fans who follow the game closely know that Katherine is careful with her words and tends not to reveal details unless she believes they will strengthen her social capital. By admitting she spoke to Riley, she may have been sending a message to other house guests that she has options beyond her current allies. In a house where perception can be more powerful than reality, even a subtle move like this can have huge ripple effects. Riley's role in this revelation cannot be underestimated either. Since the beginning of Big Brother 27, Riley has been painted as a maverick player, someone who doesn't mind ruffling feathers or standing in direct opposition to the majority. Their gameplay has often been described as reckless, but also fearless, and while this has made them a frequent target, it has also earned them respect from fans who admire boldness. If Riley did indeed reach out to Katherine for a conversation, it could signal that they are looking for new ways to stay in the game, or it could simply be part of a larger strategy to create paranoia among the other players. Social media reaction to Katherine's comments was immediate and intense. On Twitter, hashtags like #KatherinianRiley and #BigBrother27 surged within minutes of the revelation hitting the feeds. Some fans celebrated the potential for this duo to shake up the house, while others warned Katherine not to trust Riley, calling them too unpredictable to rely on. On Reddit, discussions raged about whether this could be the birth of a new alliance that could flip the game in the final weeks, or if it was simply another example of Riley manipulating circumstances to stay relevant. Inside the house, the reaction among other contestants was just as telling. Observers noted that some of Katherine's allies appeared visibly unsettled after she shared the news. Trust is fragile in Big Brother, and any suggestion that someone is branching out can be seen as a betrayal. For Katherine, balancing honesty with loyalty has always been a challenge, and this revelation could make her appear less trustworthy to the players who thought they had her locked in as a so-called ally. On the other hand, showing that she is willing to talk to someone as controversial as Riley might elevate her standing as a savvy strategist who is open to every possible path to victory. Historically, Big Brother has seen similar turning points where two unexpected house guests connected and altered the trajectory of the season. From unlikely alliances that went on to dominate, to brief conversations that sowed chaos and mistrust, the power of communication in the game cannot be overstated. Katherine's disclosure about her talk with Riley could prove to be one of those iconic moments that fans remember long after the season ends. Whether it leads to an alliance, a blindside, or simply more paranoia, the fact that it happened at all is enough to shift the dynamics inside the house. For Katherine, timing is everything. With the season approaching its most crucial stretch, every decision is magnified. Speaking about her interaction with Riley when she did may have been strategic, it allowed her to get ahead of the narrative before someone else leaked it or twisted it to fit their own agenda. By controlling the story, Catherine ensured that her voice was the one shaping how the conversation was framed. However, in a game where perception becomes reality, even controlled disclosures can spiral out of hand, and Catherine may have just opened the door to suspicion that could hurt her long-term game. Riley, for their part, is likely thrilled with the attention. For a player who thrives on chaos and loves keeping others on edge, this revelation only adds to their mystique. If their goal was to stir the pot and create uncertainty, they have succeeded spectacularly. Other players now have to wonder, what exactly did Catherine and Riley discuss? Was it a deal, a plan to flip votes? Or was it something more personal that could strengthen their bond outside of the house? The ambiguity alone is powerful, forcing others to waste time and energy speculating instead of focusing on their own strategies. The fanbase for Big Brother 27 has been particularly engaged this season, and Catherine's revelation has given them fresh material to dissect. Podcasts, YouTube recaps, and Twitter spaces erupted with theories about where this could lead. Some suggested that Catherine and Riley might secretly work together to take down one of the dominant alliances, pointing to subtle cues in their body language and tone. Others argued that this could be the beginning of Catherine's downfall, as her current allies might see this as proof she is hedging her bets. Whatever the outcome, one thing is clear, the game has been shaken up once again. From a production standpoint, moments like this are gold. Big Brother thrives on unexpected twists and personal dynamics that take the narrative in new directions. The fact that Catherine herself revealed the conversation, rather than having it leaked or discovered, adds authenticity and makes it more impactful. It also sets the stage for future episodes to explore how this revelation affects the house dynamic, ensuring that both live feed watchers and casual viewers are equally invested. As the game edges closer to the finale, the pressure on every house guest intensifies. Catherine has proven herself to be adaptable, resilient, and willing to take risks, but speaking openly about her interaction with Riley could prove to be one of her biggest gambles yet. If she can turn it into leverage, perhaps by convincing others that she has influence over Riley, it could boost her chances of making it to the end. If, however, her allies interpret it as betrayal, she could quickly find herself isolated and vulnerable. Riley, meanwhile, continues to be the wild card. Their ability to disrupt the status quo has been unmatched this season, and teaming up with someone like Katharine could create an unexpected power duo. But trust has never been Riley's strongest suit, and the unpredictability that makes them exciting to watch also makes them a dangerous ally. For Catherine, choosing whether or not to align with Riley could very well define the rest of her game. Ultimately, the revelation that Catherine Woodman spoke to Riley Jeffries is more than just a passing comment, it's a potential game changer. It highlights the fragile nature of trust inside the Big Brother house, underscores the power of even brief conversations, and reminds fans why the show remains as such a compelling blend of strategy, drama, and human interaction. With every word, every glance, and every decision scrutinized, Catherine's choice to acknowledge her interaction with Riley will likely reverberate through the house in the days and weeks to come. For now, fans are left to wonder what the future holds for these two players. Will Catherine and Riley join forces to mount a surprise offensive against the dominant alliance? Will Catherine's allies punish her for straying outside their circle? Or will this revelation fade into the background as new drama inevitably erupts? In true Big Brother fashion, the only certainty is that nothing stays the same for long, and Catherine's words have once again proven that in this house, information is power. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond Big Brother YouTube channel for more update news.